Hi there, bead lovers. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make a beautiful beaded bracelet together. The bracelet is based on flat herringbone stitch and I will guide you through each and every single step. It's a perfect project for beginners or anyone looking for a relaxing and crafting project. So if you are searching for a easy bead jewelry making tutorials, then please consider subscribing my channel. And my friend, from which country you watch this video, please let me know in the comment section. I'm so much excited to know. By the way, I'm Arpita from India. So get ready to make something amazing and enjoy the therapeutic benefits of beading. Golden seed bead size 11O, rondelle crystal beads 4 mm, magnetic closure or you can use any, beading needle number 10 and beading thread 0.20 mm. Take 400 cm long thread for the 6-inch bracelet and leave 10 cm long thread for the tail, and you can start your comfortable length of the thread. Now pick up 4 golden seed beads size 11O. Now go back through the 4 golden seed beads and then tie a few secure knots. According to your convenience, you can turn off the subtitle or CC button in your YouTube settings anytime. Now step up through the next set of 2 beads. Now pick up 2 golden seed beads. Again step up through these previous 2 beads. Basically I'm making here ladder stitch. Now step down through the next set of 2 beads. Now pick up 2 golden seed beads and again step down through the previous 2 beads and then step up through the last set of 2 beads. So in this way you have to continue up to 10 stitch. So you can see there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So for the new row, I pick up 2 golden seed beads and then step down through the next set of 2 beads. Now step up through the next set of 2 beads. Now pick up 2 golden seed beads and step down through the next set of 2 beads. Then step up through the next set of 2 beads and then continue doing the same. So for the last step you need to step down through this top 1 bead right here. I hope you already hit the like and subscribe button for more updates. Now you need to step up through the top 1 bead because I'm gonna make a new row. Now pick up 2 golden seed beads and step down through the next one. Then step up through the next golden one. Again pick up 2 golden seed beads and step down through the next one. Now step up through the next one. Again pick up 2 golden seed beads and then step down through the next one. Keep doing the same to continue this line. Hey friend, from which country you watch this video and what is your native language? Please let me know in the comment section. I'm so much excited to know. After that I can put your native language in my subtitle. It will help you a lot. Now step up through the top one golden bead. Now I'm gonna make the new row, so pick up two golden seed beads and step down through the next one. Then step up through the next one. So repeat and continue this up to 9 row. You can see I just completed the 9 row. You can make it according to your choice and design. After that I'm gonna make the crystal lines, so pick up one crystal green 4 mm and two golden seed beads. Now skip the two golden bead you just added and step down through this crystal bead and one golden seed beads in the base. If you have time, you can check out my shorts videos also. So many easy and aesthetic jewelry making shorts tutorial out there. Now step up through the next one golden bead. Again pick up one crystal bead and two golden seed beads. Again skip the two golden beads and step down through the crystal and one golden bead in the base. Then step up through the next golden bead. Now repeat and continue the same to complete this line. Now step up through this way, this one golden bead and the crystal bead and this one top bead in the right side. If you found this video helpful and you want to pay something as a gift, now you can donate me by clicking thanks button in my any videos. It's really support me and motivate me to make more videos for you. Thank you. Now pick up two golden beads and then step down through the next one. And then step up through the next golden one. Again pick up two golden seed bead and step down through the next one. So this is the herringbone stitch here. Now step up through the next one. Continue doing the same to complete this line. After that, then step up through this top one bead in the right side. Again pick up two golden beads and pass through the next one. Then step up through the next one bead and then continue doing the same herringbone stitch here up to 5 row. As you can see, I just completed the 5 row. Now I have to make the crystal row. So I pick up one crystal, two golden seed bead and then skip the two golden beads and then pass through the crystal bead and one golden bead in this side. Now step up through the next one golden bead and then pick up one crystal, two golden bead and follow the same process to complete this line. For your convenience, I have listed the material's name and material buying links in the description box and first pinned comment. Please check this out. After completing this, continue the herringbone stitch. Make 5 herringbone stitch and 1 crystal line. Repeat and continue to grow the bracelet. You can see 9 herringbone stitch in both ends. Now we have to reinforce the end line through this simple zigzag stitch. Now we need to reach to the 4th line through this way. Now pick up 3 golden beads, clasp and 3 golden beads. Now pass through the next third line. Now tie a few secure knots here. If you are new to my channel, then please consider subscribing. I post videos and shorts in beads jewelry making like seed beads, pearl beads and crystal beads, like bracelets, necklace, earring, finger ring, etc. Now cut off the extra tail thread, and this way we have to make another side too. Although you are watching me free in the YouTube, but please pay my fees. You can give food to the poor or feed street birds or animals, donate new clothes to the old age home or old people. This will be my fees. So I hope you learned the technique well. If yes, then please consider like and subscribe. I will see you soon with a brand new one. Till then, stay tuned. Take care. I love you so much guys. Bye bye.